Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of Nasdaq 100 futures in the live chart. Here you can see a daily chart of Nasdaq 100 futures. Here I would like to tell you that the Nasdaq futures have completed the formation of a double top in a daily time frame. Here you can see that the first top was formed on February 20th, 2020 when the private research group that acts as the arbiter for determining US business cycles, said on Monday that the US economy ended its longer expansion in the history in February 2020 and entered into the recession as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Here you can see that since then the Nasdaq 100 futures were falling with a steeper move during the month of March. Here you can see that the Nasdaq futures tested the lows of 6629 on March 23rd, 2020, and since then we have seen a sharp recovery where this recovery was maintaining a V-shaped recovery up to April 20th, 2020. But once again, the Nasdaq futures found some stiff resistance at the levels of 8951 when they consolidated at this level up to May 15, 2020, and since May 15th, here you can see that after finding a good support at the levels of 8888, the Nasdaq future started to move upward and continued this uptrend rally. Here you can see that on Monday, the Nasdaq futures tested the highs of 9907, and here you can see that today they are once again trying to break the immediate resistance of 9912. Here you can see that currently the Nasdaq futures have been maintaining the level where they closed yesterday, but here I find that if the Nasdaq 100 futures are not able to break this immediate resistance of 9912, we will see a steep fall up to the levels of 9802, and here you can see that the Nasdaq futures opened at the levels of 9880 after testing the lows of 9813. The Nasdaq futures tested the highs of 9909 and currently trading at 9888. Therefore, I would like to mention here that the level of 9888 looks to be a very decisive point where the Nasdaq futures look ready to take a decisive move during the next few hours. Here I find that if the Nasdaq futures are not able to breach the immediate resistance of 9912, they look ready to see a steep fall from these levels, what they have tested in February 2020. Here you can see that this level will provide immediate support to Nasdaq futures in case of any downward move, whereas I find that if the Nasdaq futures are not able to defend this long-term support before this weekly closing, which is currently at the levels of 9764, we will see the Nasdaq futures to take a nosedive move when the Nasdaq futures are supposed to take a downward move up to the levels of 9182, where they will find their second strong support at the levels of 9182 during this fall. But here I find that if the Nasdaq 100 futures are able to make a sustainable move above the immediate resistance of 9912, during the next two trading session, we will see the S&P 500 futures to continue this current uptrend up to the levels of 10,222, where they will find their stiff resistance level from where we can expect a sharp sell-off in Nasdaq 100 futures, where they will find their immediate support once again at the levels of 9760 during this fall. But in that case, we will find the Nasdaq futures to move downward up to the levels of 9617, and we will find the Nasdaq futures to consolidate amid this zone in zigzag manner before taking a final direction move up to June 18, 2020. Here I find that the Nasdaq futures may take a decisive move during the month of June 2020. So now let us see this chart in an hourly time frame. Here you can see that in an hourly time frame, the Nasdaq futures have been facing stiff resistance at the levels of 9912. Once again, where I find that if the Nasdaq futures are not able to breach this immediate resistance tonight, we'll see the Nasdaq futures to take a sharp downward move where they will find their immediate support at 9760. But if they are not able to defend this immediate support, we'll see the Nasdaq futures to take a sharp downward move up to the levels of 9713. During this week, we will see the Nasdaq futures to test the levels of 9721 before this week is closing. And if we find the Nasdaq futures to take a sustainable move above this second support level of 9721, we will see the Nasdaq futures to take sharp downward move during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready to see an action in Nasdaq futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.